Alright, someone didn't ready up. The first thing we see, we have a good turn order. But I can't cap on a 1. So that's a bummer. This cap would basically mean that you have a 2-point hold on all of this. But I'm not next to it, not close to it. I'd have a +10 here if I kept there and go advance to the right side. We get 6th. Nice prediction. Oh, red is capping there. Then that means he has a 1-point hold on all of this. That's a good cap. But not if someone is behind you. Not if someone is behind you. So X1, Italy is crazy too. Yeah. Gascony is good too. I guess I have to go here. It's not what I'd like to do, but I don't really have a choice. I don't have a choice. Yeah, not anymore. This is the bot's cap, by the way. Tank is going here. So I see 3 caps. Yeah, I think I'm still going for Russia. LX behind me. True. With a bat, even better with the bot cap. But I need to clear so much stuff here, right? And it looks like here I'm kinda on my own. Kinda on my own. But yeah. Yellow acts behind me, but pink goes first, and pink has his cap here, and if he gets this is a giant hold. Yeah. I hope the bot doesn't add anything here. Blue is adding in Germany, so he probably has his cap on Denmark or Oslo. I'd assume. Is he rolling out his... No, he's not rolling out. What does the white do? He adds in Russia because why not? And he leaves. So that's a dub. Oh, pink sees this though. Pink sees this. Pink will take it. Will he? I'm sure he does. But he also sees the red cap there. He didn't. Is he taking red cap? No, he's trying to take Spain, but he forgot a 1 here. So I will start with 7, have a 9 on 3. Do I take it? Or do I just go for Russia? I think I just try to go for Russia. Clear as much as possible. Need to clear the... Oh man, that's so much stuff here. Okay. There's so many troops in Russia. Oh boy. I don't like it. Yellow must be here or have his cap there. So he's adding here, so his cap is probably there. So me taking it would not have been a good idea because I can't hold it in the long run. That's a lot of stuff in Russia, guys. I could go for Russia next turn and then have a weak cap. He's breaking red, that's good for me. 16 troops, yeah. Could not be worse. So I know red is here, blue is here, pink is down here, and yellow is here. Yep, red is gonna be in trouble. Blue is gonna have a 1-point hold on a plus 20. Oh, never mind, he can't get this. And blue also knows that I have to clear this, he saw these. I had good rolls. I lost a 1 on basically every attack made, except for this one, so I lost 3 troops last turn. I killed 7 and I lost 9, so I wouldn't call it a good turn. But I have 12 territories if I don't lose any. And I will have a 6, I will have a 14, basically a 13. I will have a weak ass cap, guys, I'm not gonna lie. He's finishing Spain now. Good for him. And I did lose a territory to the bot. So let's hope for good dice. I have a 4 cap, 5 cap. Yellow's getting 12, so he holds this and this. Oh boy, yellow's gonna snowball. Oh boy, he held this and this. Oh frick. Oh boy. He's gonna push into red. The question will be, is he gonna roll out his 3 or not? I will have to add here. I have to put 7 here and the rest there and break yellow. Or I'm in trouble. In big trouble. I had good rolls this turn. I only lost 3, 4, never mind. Oh, he tried to get the cap. Does blue take it for free, so he has an exterior position? 5 only for blue, so red broke blue. Or yellow sets troops up here and try to go take stuff there. It will all come down to if the bot breaks me or not. 4 there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god, please no. Yes, doesn't go into me. Pink takes it 100%. Well, he should, right? He also... No, he only takes 7 there. Okay. 7 here. So... Okay. I had to break yellow, he was getting too strong. He was getting way too strong. Too bad he was expanding. Oh! He added everything here and he's trying to go around, I guess. And he doesn't even retake his bonuses. So... that's good for me. Yellow will have a 2-point hold on all this. So yellow probably took this. Do we see blue break me? I need to take blue out of there. I also got myself some nice territories in the turn. I now have to worry about the bot. And yellow probably took this bonus. What does blue do? Blue starts with 10 again here. Yeah, red put himself in the middle of blue and pink. This is such a tense one. Very tense game right now. Best kill guard ever. Well, as soon as he's stuck behind the red cap, he's gonna add adhesive exteriors and probably break me. The bot doesn't break me, so that's good. I'm gonna keep my bonuses. And I also know where yellow's cap is. So there's a cap here, 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 and probably in Denmark, if I had to guess. So pink is... no, he's not chilling. Or he is chilling. I'm gonna add 4 here, 4 there, 2 there, the rest here. So red is here already. Okay, so I can pull this 3 back to... Huh. This 3 back. So give yellow a harder time. I could take all of this next turn and have a guard here, this one and here. It's like a 22, I think. White's gonna set in though. Will he set in my bonus? Probably. Yellow's boarding now? No. Loses 3, hitting the 3. Puts me under 21. Fair enough. Red is losing to blue hard. Pink is gonna take this to next turn and have a plus 19. 2-point hold would be very good before sets come, right? A good thing blue and red didn't set in, because now white's getting the 4 trades, he's gonna have 7. He could break me. Let's hope the bots... Oh, 8 for white now. Well, he owns Italy, I guess. That gives him 7 plus territories. And he doesn't break me. Good enough for me. And he breaks red. And he breaks yellow. Oh, baby! No, I don't need to break yellow myself. He's fortifying out. Oh, I love this. I love the way this is going. Pink finishes West Africa now. Was everything there? Yellow went offline because he got broken by the bot. Okay. And 12 here. Okay, let's see how this goes. No one sees it.
Oh no! I forgot!
No, I didn't forget.
Frick.
I didn't forget. I didn't forget
No.
anything.
No!
I did forget nothing, guys. So, let's see how this goes. So my next turn I can put 20 here. Also, yellow didn't have a set on 4. So that's good. I may be able to kill yellow for 5 cards and get 20. I will get the 12 trade, right? So I'm getting the 15 trade and then the 20 trade. Ooh. Hi Jimmy. I already lost the game and got 6th last game because the bot set in next to my cap with a 35 and rolled my 18 cap while I was fighting another player. So that's a major setback in points of skill points. In terms of skill points. In points of... yeah. Shut up, Spitzer. 11 for white, blue, I mean. White still holds Italy. Empty yellow cap. Indeed, indeed. I will kill yellow on my next turn. 19. So pink owns all of this. West Africa and Spain. With a cap on Gascony and Gigil. So he's either pushing this way, making it easier for me to kill the yellow, Or he's trying to take red's cap. One of those two. Maybe even push into the bot. Yeah, Bulgaria cap is empty. He fortified off. Do we see pink bot? That would be insane. Would basically hand me the game right now. I know he has a 20 there. No, he's not boarding yet. Should be here now. He has not enough time to break me. Here now. Yeah, so I'm gonna put my income here. Oh, I will trade in again, right? So why not take the +2? Put the rest there. Oh, perfect dice. So pink did not go into yellow. Good to know. Okay. Let's do some breaking on pink and pull back to my cap. So pink doesn't get 19. I have another set, it's gonna be a 15 set. Red trades in for 15, what does he do? I'm gonna kill the white bot now for 3 cards. And I'm gonna set again. I will have the 20 set now and then the 25, I guess. Well, that's insane. So instead of yellow snowballing, we are snowballing. Pink has a 9, 2 caps and territories. Do we see him set in and punch back? Or is he just gonna bot? I'll have a good 32 income next turn. Can't believe the bot is still alive. I mean, I take it. 36 even. Oh baby. Put everything here. Is this the rest of white? No. I should have. No, maybe. There was a chance that white is still down up here. Don't need to use my joker. Red is on 3 cards. I'm gonna kill red for 3 cards. Kill blue for 4 cards. Don't need to use the Joker again. So that's nice. E4 there for 100%. Use this lighter. Don't need to use this Joker again. And I will fortify this 17 down. He has a set on 4. He got to have one. Yeah, it doesn't matter. There's no way he could cap one with 40. Yup. He sees that, he knows it. I have a set, do it to my Joker.
Run.
Just finish this up. Treat it like it's a tournament game. Make sure we kill everything before we hit the cap.
Now, this is epic.
GG, and that's how you snowball. Let's look at the ranks. Red was a GM, fair enough. Yellow was a novice, he quit when he didn't have a set on 4 and got hit twice. Okay. Good game.